I want to first of all welcome everyone to this wonderful event. We have this event annually. Normally, we have the event at uh, the Frontier Culture Museum in Staunton, Virginia. And for those of you that were here earlier at the start, you would have seen the video of the construction of that Igbo village. You know, some of the small buildings. Ebetenne is grandmother's hut that from the old days. And so I want to not take much time. CISA, I just want to take a minute to explain to everyone what CISA is about. Council of Igbo States in America is the foremost cultural organization that is an amalgamation of all the Igbo states in Nigeria. The membership is by state, not by individuals, so that we have a conglomeration of all the different states, the various states that make up the Igbo-speaking areas of Nigeria, as well as the Ikaibo and as well as the Neoma and distant distant areas by geographical landmass. However, they're still descendants. They migrated from Igbo land. So CISA is all about culture. CISA is all about upliftment of the Igbo culture. It's not a political organization. But CISA is also an organization that is keenly aware of the happenings in Nigeria with regard to all things Igbo. You heard our king, Eze Chukwuemeka Eri, 34th Akajiovo Ndi Igbo. Akajiovo Ndi Igbo. This is Ofo. Okay, this is Ofo. The person holding that Ofo, this used to be our Bible from the old days. That's what people swore by before the white man came. That's how people got married. That's how people swore. People in disputes, you know how you swear when you go to court, you say, so help me God, and all that stuff. This is what we swore by, Ofo, because we believe that anybody that lied after swearing with Ofo would not have a good outcome. So CISA welcomes you all. We behind time a little bit, so I'm going to simply abbreviate what I was going to say. However, we have a packed program for you today. We're going to have some of you that have already received the program of events. You would have seen that we have a very packed program. We're going to have the naming ceremony. That naming ceremony is very, very, very important event for us because it is our opportunity to commiserate and to welcome back home our brothers and sisters that were born here, but that have Igbo blood running through their veins and that have identified through DNA testing that they are in fact Igbo. Throughout the year, there are various opportunities to test one's DNA, and once a year in this event, we bring our king to give them Igbo names, legitimize their ancestry, and let them know that we welcome them back, we embrace them, and we welcome them home. So we have that. One exciting video that you're going to watch is a video of an actual narrow road, okay, within in the villages through which the captured enslaved people walked from their villages, wherever they were captured, all the way to the Atlantic Ocean, where they started their transatlantic odyssey to the United States and to other parts of the world. So you will see a video that shows you the actual tracks in the trails in the villages that were used by the slave catchers to transport their slaves by foot. They captured slaves by foot to the point of where they sold them into slavery. So you will see that, and you'll also hear very important speeches from very important personalities. We do have we do have Ndi Ozo. Ozo is, you heard the king say that someone that's not an Ozo should not be shaking hands with the back of the hand. Ozo is a very revered title that an Igbo can attain in Igbo land. When you see someone wearing this hat with feather, the feather is eagle feather. It tells you that that person is an Ozo or Nze. And what it means is that that person has attained a certain level in Igbo society, that they are considered to be the custodian, part of the custodians of Igbo culture. So you will hear from the chairman of Nzukọ Ndị Ozo in Nigeria, Professor Ike Oloka, today. So I'm excited. So let's get going. Welcome again. And Ndewo. None. Tony, back to you.
Yeah, because I want to chairman and president. Na call ya. I want to na call ya. Netu ya afa Ozia.
Ozi Kenga. Ishiozi Kenga.
Ishiozi Kenga or Wanasa. Ishiozi Kenga.
Everybody's muted.
Okay, they are all muted. Okay, no problem. Mr. Wadro.